What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful CLE 300 AMG line that we have right in front of us here today. Now this is the AMG line in Polar White. As you can see from the front grille, it looks super aggressive. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys. The CLE means that it's a two-door coupe like design. So previously, you know, they used to have a C200, C300, E200, E300, but right now they only have it in CLE 300 4Matic as well. So let's start off with the front to show you guys how physical this car actually looks. Now let's start off with the lights. As you can see, they're using the digital lights right now for the down one right here. We'll turn on the lights later to show you how these lights actually look, but in the meantime, this is how sporty and angular the front lights actually are. The front grills, you have all these Mercedes-Benz studs that are happening all over the front grille, and you have this beautiful Mercedes-Benz logo. There is a glass because there's a sensor hidden right behind this. You also get your Mercedes-Benz badging in black and silver. 360 camera located up here. Check out the grille, man. Beautiful. Number plate goes right there. You got your AMG front bumper that is very much aggressive, as you can see. You have some opening for air to flow through on that side. Down here, blacked out finish because it's their night package that they have on the car as well. Check out the top hood. As I mentioned, the C-Class and everything like that has all these bulging lines that are on the front hood, right? See, when I stand at any angle, how the front hood has those kind of shades. That's what's beautiful about this car, man. Now, check out the wheels. They're using how many inches? Where are we looking at right now? Where is your tire size? 245 40 R19. So there we go, 245 40 R19. So these are drill disc brakes hidden at the back there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. You got your Mercedes-Benz caliper, which is having some wordings on it right now, silver color. A fully blacked out wheel because it's a night package. You got your Mercedes-Benz logo in black as well. Beautiful design. And these are using Goodyear tires. Yeah, Goodyear tires, run flat tires. So very good. So now we also are looking at the side mirrors, which are also in full black because again, night package, all your chrome delays are no longer visible. So there's no more chrome for you guys to be seeing. But yeah, blacked out side mirrors, turn indicators are right underneath. You got your 360 camera right here, and you have that white design like that goes like a slope out. As you can see, it goes out like that, so that's kind of nice. Chrome lining at the top. You got your door opening for your handles. Let's open that up and let's check out how long the door is, because it's a coupe, right? So that's how long the door is, because the interior is even more spacious compared to any other car. So let's start off with the doors. You got your memory seats, you got your heated and cooling seats as well, ventilated seats happening right here, as you can see. You got your seat adjustments, move front and back, move it up and down, headrest. You got your handles to open up the doors. You got this textured like finish for the handle, right, where you can grab on in and pull the door towards you. You got these window adjustments to up and down, ambient lighting that goes across the whole door till the back. Now that is something which I personally really love. That's my favorite part about the door. And of course, the add-on with the Burmester sound system that comes with the car, because this is a AMG line and it's called a CLE 300. So of course you got to get Burmester. Mercedes-Benz wording at the side right here, lighted up. AMG wordings at the carpet. You got a beautiful blacked out interior for the seats. Check out how they are designed in such a way. Perforated seats, so very nice and comfortable looking. Let's hop on in to show you guys how comfortable I'm actually sitting in this car. Start off with the lighting. Check out the lighting, guys. They're all over the air vents, right? You also get them all over here underneath. At night, you'll see them reflect against this. So as you can see right now, it's there. But at night, it'll be super damn cool over here. You got some lighting over here, goes all the way down, right to the center. Beautiful. I love this textured like finish for the center console. The dashboard goes all the way there, comes back down here. The driver screen angles towards the center screen angles towards the driver. That's something that's nice. You got your air vents right here, beautiful design. Frameless mirrors at the top right here. And this would be your glass roof. Check that out, guys. The CLE comes with a glass roof, CLE. So As well as call button, your Mercedes Me lightings and whatnot. Yeah, very cool like design. So amazing screen and amazing space. This is me sitting comfortably here in the front passenger seat. You also get rear seats as well. I'll try and hop on into the back to show you guys, but yeah, you got your black seat belts located right there as well. Now let's try and see if we can actually hop on in to the rear. Now let's check that out. So that's the lever you pull to actually create some space, right? So let's try and hop on in to show you guys how much space does this car actually have for the rear. Now that's with the seat pushed forward. Of course, you know, the driver can't be driving like that, right? So this is me sitting at the back. Again, what I see, Burmester sound system, beautiful. You got some lighting connected from the front door to the side here and goes all the way to the back. So that's damn cool. You got your seat belts here as well in black, very nice as well. You got your black lining, roof lining, kind of like fabric wise, and again you got that light coming in from the top if it opens up, so you get that spacious feeling, you know. But now let's try and pull the seat back to see whether, is this me? Is it really comfortable? So cool. Okay, so seats are already back. I still can move my legs around. Of course, the front seats I did not adjust it to suit how comfortable I am, so therefore the seats are quite backed up, but this is me sitting right at the back, so it is very much comfortable indeed. You got your cup holders down here. You also get compartment storage. You got your Type-C charging located down there, and also some storage up here with your air vents right here. So this car is kind of cool. I like it. I love how the design is like, so very not bad. This we pull again, and then we, yeah, there we go, push it forward, so it just slides forward comfortably. Check that out. Now let's try and get down to see. Cool. So this is me comfortably getting down from the rear. Now we shall leave it like that because we're gonna try and fold down the rear seats to show you guys. But check out the tire size, man, dude, for the rear. So these are Goodyear tires once more again. Tire size, where are you? There we go. 275, 35, 19. So blacked out wheels because it's a night package. The rear discs are solid disc. Your calipers are right there. You got your black badging for the Mercedes-Benz logo. I love the silver lining across the whole wheel, so very sporty indeed. Now check out the rear. I love this spoiler that we have right here across. Looks damn sporty, man. Love it. CLE badging on the left side, CLE 300, Mercedes-Benz logo. You press this to open up the boot. 4Matic wording on the right because it's an all-wheel drive. You got your number plate that goes right there. Sensors located all over the car, and your exhaust pipe like design because underneath is a real exhaust, so that's kind of cool. You got another exhaust pipe over there, so that's very much sporty looking and very fun indeed. Rear diffuser, you got this blacked out lining because again, night package. So check the lights out. We will show you the lights in a while more, but let's not get to that. You got this hook right here to basically hook some stuff to prevent them from falling down. Net right there. Another storage part down here, so that's kind of cool. You got your hook right there, so that's cool. Now let's try and fold down the seats, show you guys the space. That's how much space that you guys can get. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing space for a car like this, right? So let's try and do the same thing for the driver's seat right here. Pull that back. Let's hook the top. Push it back down. And here we are. So beautiful like design, guys. Check that out. Two front seats are already pushed forward. And you got this amazing storage space for the rear. Now I'll pull the seats back up in a while more, but just to give you guys a look of how, warning triangle, how this car actually looks with the boot like that. So now let's push the seat back forward, push it backwards, and then show you guys how the interior of the car actually looks like for the driver. So Let's hop on in to the driver's seats. First thing you notice, sport pedals down there. Amazing how every AMG line has those sport pedals, which is damn cool. Parking handbrakes right here, lights are up there. You got your drive, reverse, P. You also have your other stuff happening right here, which is your signal and also your wiper speed. To get a sprinkler, start button for the engine is right there. As I mentioned, the screen angles towards you, so that's kind of cool. You get these amazing Type-C charging right there. 2 cup holders that you can store right here. Compartment storage right there, and let's push that open. You got other 2 Type-C chargers right there with extra storage space down here. So very nice indeed. I mean, AMG line steering wheel, so you got your flat bottom steering wheel right here, beautiful touch. These ones control that screen over there. You got your answering call, rejecting call, volume up, volume down. You have your voice command together with your favorite button. On this side, you got these ones to control that screen. You got these ones like to adjust the distance, speed limit, setting off of the speed, how fast you want cruise control to go to, resume and cancel. Amazing. You got your negative shift to downshift, you got your positive shift to upshift, so that is beautiful indeed. Lights, vents, and the door we have not forgotten. Check out the window adjustments to wind down both your passenger and also your driver. You also get your side mirror adjustments, folding of the side mirrors, boot opening, boot closing, Burmester sound system, memory seats again, heated and cooling. You got your seat adjustments right here, and also you have your handle to open up, unlock and lock. So yeah, so amazing seat adjustments that they have right here. So stitching across the side of the door again. My favorite part is the ambient lighting, as I mentioned, so I love it. Mercedes-Benz wording at the side, and this is me sitting comfortably in the driver's seat. Very nicely designed, very comfortable. In fact, I love the coupes because of the window, right? Super huge, and the Burmester sound system speakers at the nearby the side mirror. So that's kind of cool. So this is me at the side, not folded the seat back yet, but yeah, it's very cool, man, dude. Love the finishing of how this car looks. Now let's turn on the lights to show you guys how it actually looks. So check the lights out. So you have your daytime running lights up here. You also get these 2 LEDs that turn on this side, and you got this blue lining at the bottom right here. Now this to me is really beautiful. I like how it blends in. Check out the front. Very, very nice indeed. So let's move to the rear to show you guys how the back looks like with the daytime running lights turned on, right? So your brake lights are turned on like this. So it has that C kind of like light going upwards. Nicely done. Now let's try and turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how it looks like. So you got your side mirrors here with the turn indicator, beautifully done. You also get your turn indicators on the top part right here, where these 2 LED lights, they still remain, and again the blue lining at the bottom also remains as well. So beautifully done. Now let's check out the rear of the car where the turn indicators are at. So they are on the top side right here. You get them at the bottom. Reverse lights should be also located on the left and right side, but yeah, beautiful touch. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Mutiara Damansara, where you guys can locate many other cars that they also have lined up all over the place. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.